Is it recording? It's recording. Except my earpieces are in, so maybe the audio is not working, but let's go with it, shall we? All right, so here we have the picture. There's the name. How close can I get to that? Maybe I don't want to share all that information because maybe I'm going to put my own brand on it. Nice and steady. And all it is this. And you can see in there how it's gripped in. See? It's coming out from there. And there, very simple, nothing can break. And there's two nuts in there, fasteners. And they're secure with these nuts inside there. So nothing can go off with this. You don't have to oil it. You don't have to lubricate it in any way, even though you might want to consider it with a friendly type of material that won't ruin the rope and that actually might make the rope better. But anyway, here we have it. It's out of the way and the brake line is nice and secure. There's no drag on it because all the weight is taken by here. And then when you want to take it down, and I'm not going to do it right now because this is just a test video. I'm going to lift this, I'm going to unhook it, and put this into place when we're getting ready for that later. So there, it's out of the way, nice and secure, very simple. And you can hang it from a roof, you can hang it from a ceiling, you can lift, what are they saying, like 250 pounds with this thing? So you could hang it up there or off the truck. I mean, I could hang it off the handle there. It has come in useful for me so many times. And there's no chance of it slipping. It's been hanging there now for about 2 weeks like that. And it allows me for a whole load of room because the other ways to tie this off would probably infringe on my work area in here. So right now it's over as far as I can get. I could probably swing this hook here under here and maybe hook it into here, for instance, or in here, or around these two screws. Could swing it in that way. So basically what I'm saying is that you can hang it anywhere. And then when you want to take it off, which I'm not going to do right now because I'm holding this with one hand, I would grab this under here, take the weight of the disc, and with my other hand I would just release this rope here. All I would do is pull it back that way, just, and it's out. And now you hold this, it's out of the latch, and you lower it to the ground. at your pace, or not to the ground. You don't want to be dragging the brake hose down to the ground. But when I'm ready to install this back onto the axle, hold that rope, have it still hooked on above, and just guide it over with one hand, like this. Simple. Actually, you know what? Let me do it right now. No, I'm not doing it right now. I need a tripod for this stuff to make it look any good. But anyway, like I say, this is draft 1, and we'll try to do this again. And let's review this and see what it was like.